move to 8.4 to talk about how you can work with a slide, or 幻灯片 in English. We can also call it a presentation. So we have some demos about the layout, the new create, set the position, retrieve, and delete. So let's do this basic activity for handle the presentation slide. So let's go to our code. We will create our 8.4 folder. Work with slides. And first, let's change to later on. Let's open. So first is the coding for the slides, the layout. Let's create one file. So now go to here, create 841 slide layout. So when we see the layout, actually we see this master, this master slide. So within that is you can have some layout. So when you create a new slides like this one, so if you see from view, you see the slide master, then you can see here you have a multiple page, one primary page and also the different page. So all those are the layout. So let me close this, and then we see how we can retrieve those layout. So first is from pptx import presentation, and with initial PowerPoint presentation, and we don't need to save anything. So print len ppt.slide layouts. Ensure it has s after. So you can see here, when I run this, is actually it's 11. So let's go. Now it's our working folder is here. So let's go to part 2 and chapter 8 and 8.4. So let me run this again. Oh, so I go to this. Let me run again. So now let's ensure I'm in my current folder. So for layout in ppt.slide layouts, we can print type layouts. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total 11. So those are the layout. But the layout, we don't have the layout name, I think. So I think this will get. Oh, so here is we have got name. So that's perfect. So we have a title, content section. So you remember it's some title and content is normally is one kind, the title and the motive type of the content, and two content section, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with content, title, vertical, and the last you can see we have the vertical, the title in the right. So that's perfect. We can add this layout name. Then you can list all this real name of the layout. Then if you have our new slides, then you can have this slide master and mapping to this 11 page. So the first page is the title slide, is this master one, and then you have another 10 page. So those are the 841. Let me create another file. Oh, not here, so come to here. So 842 is the new create, new add the slide. So every slide page is our slide object, but within the presentation, you cannot directly create a slide single. The object but you can create a presentation.slides. So slides will use to manage slide. So within the slides object, you have our add_slide method can create a slide. So let's see. So we can do some testing. So from PPTX import presentation, and we have our PPT equal to presentation, and next is we have a ppt.save. It's 842. Ensure is PPTX. Let's run, and we are creating our first the PowerPoint now. So let me come to our file. So let's go to here. You can see. Let's first generate it. So 8.4.2. So it's empty without anything. So but from view, the slides master, you can already see this 11 page. You remember here is the vertical, the content, and the vertical title on the content. So let's see. So in our earlier, so you can see title is in horizontal and vertical text, and here is both title and text are vertical. So those are the foundation, the slide master. Now we have our object of the presentation. We can make our slide layout equal to ppt.slide layouts. You remember here is the 0 is the first one, is the title slide. So let's put this 0. And then we can print type ppt.slides. Print this will get this type. So this type of slide ppt type is ppt.slides. Which line? So line 4. So this one, slide layout equal to slide layouts. Oh yeah, I missed a T. So then I go to our object type. Then continue. We can have create our slide. Is the PPTs. We have our slides, and then we use this. Please start to remember this. It's like add paragraphs, add runs in Word. So we will use this many times later. So layout. So this layout will use this slide layout 0. Then we can put this print type slide. This slide is the, you see here slides. This slide. At the same time is we are having our first slide now. So if I put this here, so let me see. So if I use 10, so I will get this vertical title and the vertical text. So let's have a look. So you can see, so we use this number 11, so which is in the index is 10. So you can easily create our slide, empty slide, using the slide underscore layouts with the index. So these are the 842. And then this, but today is the author also mentioned this limitation. Currently, we cannot insert our new slide between two slides, two existing slides. It can only add that into the last slide. So, for example, is let's see. So slide is let's just add another part. So I just add this. Oh, so I can directly add this. So let's see, I add 1. So then I should get our 2-page slides. See, first one and the second one is the normal, the index 1 is the second page in the slide master. So when you use this add slide and give our argument is the slide style or the layout, you will get this new slide insert in the last page. So let's continue. So we create this 843 is the slide position. Right. So we cannot, although we cannot insert a slide into our designated position, but we can check the slide position. So using this index, within the slides, we have an index. It's not the slide layouts index, it's the slides object index. So let's try to practice this 3. The words is first is import presentation, then you initialize or instance your presentation, then last is the save. And after this is we can have is define our slide layout equal to ppt.slide layouts. Layouts 0 is the title, so let's use the 1. So that is the normal with our header, title, and the content or section. So let's make some slides. So slides 1 is ppt.slides.add slide layout. Let's see. So I put this. Maybe I make a 5-page. So I have the 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have our. Let me save and create this one. So I have the 5-page. So now I can print ppt.slides. This slides has the index, so slides 1. So let's print. So I already create that, so let's not create into the operating system. Just see here, slides 1 is index 0. Let's see, so slides 2 is index 1. Let's see, slide 5 should be index 4. So 0, 1, 4. So those are the just like our normal list. But now you can identify which slides in which the page. The last part is not the last two is the how you can retrieve our slide. So let's do this 844 retrieve slides. So using the 845 we can use this index method to get the position index, and then this we can vice versa. We can use this index to get the slides, the object. So just we use this bracket. So let's try to see. So we have this 843, and we can create something. The new slides as well. So import presentation, and the PPT is presentation. Slides. Let's use this presentation. Let's try to load our 843 PPTX. So we have this one, and we save this to slides 1 is PPT. Let's see the slides 0. So and this is slide guide 1. So it's add to page, and what? Let's see what's this purpose. We get this and we save this as a test. So PPT. When I load that is if I save this to 844 PPTX. Slides 1. So is the let's make that slides 1 is the PPT. Slides 0. So slides 0 is this one, and slides 1 is gets 1 is this one. So they are assigned to here, but there's not create anything. So if I save this, I got our 844. So that have the 5 page already. So if I retrieve, so slides 1 equal to ppt dot slides. Let's see, I want to use this tool, but this not change the file itself. So I still have this 5 page. But I can retrieve this, so I have these slides into my the object I use this get. I also can use this slides tool. It's the ppt slides dot get with parentheses 1. So that is the slides, and I can print type slides 2. So no S. So slides 2 should be a type of the non-type, because this one is get our slides, and let's print slides 1. It's the slide, but slides dot get 1. So these are 0. So that is the strange. Let me print this. The type is strange. So one is the slide is actual slide, and the second one, if we use get method, is not get the result as our slide type, is our non-type. So this the type is the strange. Just let you have our look. I paste this here, so you can have some more the analysis for those. So let's close and continue. So last one is actual the delete or remove our slides. Let's put this delete slide. So the author is gave a very smart way. So by default, is Python PPTX doesn't provide our delete slide method, but the author read this add slides source code. Is found is the interesting part is actual when we want to add a slide, we are using this underscore slide ID list as this object, and make that add slides ID. So if we do read this, then that's will possible mean this if we remove the this object from this container, or we say underscore SLD ID LST, then it just means the layer is deleted. So this code is actually from author, is actually past testing. Is actually we can use this tricky way to actual to delete. So we use this PPT is the presentation. So let's use the 844. You remember here this 844 has a 5 page, and let's use this slide list equal to list ppt dot slides dot underscore slide ID list. Just pay attention to the spell. And for I in 1, tool. So let's try to remove some slides. This the list equal to SLD list I, and then we try to clear that from this SLD ID list. So slides dot SLD ID lst dot remove, because they have a remove and remove this EL. Then we will ppt save to 845. So I suppose we have a 3-page afterwards. So let's open our slides. Yeah, that's the perfect. So we remove the 3-page. But that is the tricky part. So, but I hope I will try to remember that, and also recommend you can read through this, especially the analysis for this add slides source code, so that you know is the reason we can use this one, and try, we can see we borrow the remove the method from this container, then you start try to make this slide removal the effect. The result is positive and is actually removed based on the index position. So I hope it's this one. You can also keep as your tactic on this PowerPoint part. So next video, we will move to the shape. So not like Word and Excel, within PowerPoint, you are doing a lot of the visualization. So the shape is the first one we need to analyze, and then we also, through the slides, PowerPoint presentation, we show the picture, and we show the chart, we show the tables, a list. So those are the things we will analyze specifically for presentation, the content. So see you next video.